Today we're answering the question, how do you promote your business using digital marketing? So you have a business, but you need to start promoting online. Where do you actually start? If you've ever asked yourself, how do you actually use digital marketing to promote your business? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 high-impact ways of connecting to your dream customers. First, I'll show you the fastest way to build brand relatability. Then I'll show you the best part of digital marketing that can't be replicated anywhere else. And then I'll show you how to compete against big budget media campaigns without a publicist or a marketing budget and win every single time. The first type of content that you should be creating that'll really help build your visibility and create deeper connections with your people is to create behind the scenes content. This is fantastic on platforms like Instagram that really want to give your viewers that inside perspective, that insider view, that behind the scenes look. Show them your messy desk. Show them what you've been eating for breakfast, where you went on your dog walk, what the process of your business looks like behind the scenes. Show them that, and they will build more relatability to your brand and to you, the attractive character. Finding opportunities of when to draw the line in the sand between what is too personal and what is perfect to build that relatability. When there's moments that you're struggling in your business, pull out your phone and film it. Maybe it's not something that you're going to use right here, right now. Maybe it's a little bit too messy, but it will be something that you'll use along the way. Maybe there's going to be a learning moment you have that is rooted in this moment of tears and panic and fear. Maybe you will learn something through this, and in a year or so, you'll build a presentation that will speak to this learning moment, and you'll use that video you recorded of your weak points, of your lower points, that will help really shine light on that relatability. Because remember, when we are attractive characters, when we're building a brand, we need to, yes, be at the top of the mountain. We need to be that celebrity. We need to be that success story, but we also need to hold on to as much relatability as we can. That's the difference between a big brand strategy and the hyper-focused reality of entrepreneurial journeys. We want to make sure that we're bringing our people along for the ride, because that is going to deepen their relationship to us. That's going to give them the opportunity to cheer for us and to have that identity for themselves. And it's also going to provide learning and value for them throughout the process. If you want behind the scenes content and more, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Every week I release new videos. We talk about influence, authority, income online, and so much more. So definitely make sure you smash that subscribe button. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along for the journey. The best part of digital marketing that you can't really recreate anywhere else is building community engagement, creating a space for your people to connect to each other, to engage with each other, to support each other. Doesn't happen in real life. Yes, it does, and you're probably yelling at the screen right now, but what I'm trying to get at is the level of intimacy that you can get in an online platform. This is especially important for coaches. If you are helping people work through a problem, overcome an obstacle, they will be less likely to open up that vulnerability in a group of people face to face, as they would be if they have that sense of anonymity behind a computer screen. So if you're using your digital marketing effectively, you're going to be able to target your messages directly to people and create that sense of engagement. You want your people not only to communicate to you, the attractive character, in their journey upwards towards where you are, but you also want them to communicate to each other. That way, we're really creating a dialogue and a language that's going to ascend everyone further towards their goal. Talking about goals, what is your goal for this quarter? Let me know down in the comments below. I want to celebrate you, I want to high five you, and I want to help you in any way I possibly can. Reach those goals, smash those goals, build that business, and be that success story you know that you are. All right, now the moment I hope you've all been waiting for, and that is, how do we compete against big budget media processes when we're just little entrepreneurs? Well, the simplest way is to build your stage. Everyone goes to the big budget media because they have channels, they have shows, they have entertainment, they have things to offer. So why can't we replicate those in our own business as well? So what I encourage you to do is to build your stage. Find your stage. If you like to talk, then maybe your stage is a podcast. If you like to show up on video, then definitely try and do a live stream show. We can show you how to do those in Live Academy. Definitely join us for that. If you are a writer, then definitely start up a blog. Find what your superpower in communication is. Find a platform that allows you to connect to an audience and then build your stage. Create that engaging piece of content that's going to not only entertain, but provide value. When you unlock that secret, you're able to increase your visibility by 100-fold. You'll nurture that community, you'll attract your dream customers, and you'll be able to move them from know, like, and trust into our high value customers. Simple as that. You just have to show up on a regular basis. You want to learn more about showing up? Then definitely check out the Visibility Hacking Secrets training. In that vault are a bunch of different trainings that cover different strategies and frameworks that we use in the visibility hacking movement that help increase your influence, your authority, and your income online. Best part about it, it's absolutely free. You know what else is free? These videos. I think you should try them out. I think there will be something you enjoy in them for sure. So yeah, give it a go, my friends.